How can I get my SBI account number through SMS?
Welcome to this tutorial on getting your SBI account number through SMS. If you have misplaced your account number and need it urgently, you can easily retrieve it by sending a simple SMS from your registered mobile number. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step.
What do you need?
To get your SBI account number through SMS, you need the following. 1. A registered mobile number linked to your SBI account. 2. Access to the mobile phone associated with the registered number.
What SMS format should I use?
To request your account number, you need to send an SMS in the following format. Reg greater than account number. Example. Reg 12345678990.
What number should I send the SMS to?
Once you have composed the SMS correctly, send it to the following number: 9,223,488,888.
What will happen next?
After sending the SMS, you will receive a reply from SBI containing your account number. The response time may vary, so please be patient. By following these simple steps, you can easily get your SBI account number through SMS. Always remember to keep your account number safe and secure, as it is an essential piece of information for managing your bank account.